All right, everybody, I'm Kairos, and I'm sitting here with Perry Morgan Hall here at the 2009 Perry Awards. Perry, how does it feel to actually be here today after all this preparation? How's it feel?
I had nothing to do with this.
Yeah, nothing to do with it.
I live in Louisiana. I started this in 1972, and I haven't been here since 1993, so I don't know what is inside. There's 600, 700 people here, and they just ask me to come back every couple of years just to see what's going on. So I don't know what it is. I'm overwhelmed. There's a full orchestra inside.
Yeah, there's everything.
There's a newspaper asking me questions or taking pictures.
So how does it feel to be back then? I mean, you see all this going on. You see the ice sculpture. You see the full orchestra. It feels good?
It feels good. I'm honored, and I can't find the words.
Can't find the words?
I'm speechless. I can't. This all started in my father's living room with 7 of us sitting around playing Academy Awards one night. And then it grew as we all started doing community theater and high school plays and college and university plays. And it's now turned into this huge event.
It's a pretty big deal.
It's big. And really, what I really wanted to do was have the theater community all come together and talk to each other and network and meet each other, so everybody who was doing theater in New Jersey could meet other people who were doing the same things, and that's exactly what it has turned into, and that's a wonderful, wonderful
Oh, it's a wonderful thing. So if you could sum up this experience in one word, this entire experience, what would you say? One word.
Speechless.
Speechless. Absolutely. Now, I want to bring up your sister.
This is my sister.
I want to bring up your sister. Come on in, Nancy. Nancy was the very first Best Actress winner, which was in 1973?
Yes.
1973.
Best Actress, and I was very proud to win the award.
Now, what role were you playing that year?
Well, actually, I was playing a boy, but I did a good enough job that they gave
Academy felt.
And what was the name of the show that you were doing?
Challenge of the Chorus.
Well, now it's 2009 and you're back here. How does it feel to be back?
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm so proud of my brother. I really am. He's done a wonderful job. I'm absolutely ecstatic.
Well, let me just say it's a great event, and I'm really excited to be here. So thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. It's great to see you. It was nice to meet you. All right. Absolutely. Oh, thank you. I thank you for the fashion. She gave me fashion tips earlier. She told me to unbutton the bottom one, so thank you for that. I needed that, really. Honestly, thank you. Thank you.